Beauty is pain, right? ملفوف. Hi guys, welcome back. This week is gonna be more of a self-care type of week because I've been doing loads of fun stuff, but I want to recharge my energy and just have a soul nourishing type of week. So hopefully you'll enjoy this video. So let's get on with it. That bush is the best time of my day because every time I walk past I smell the flowers. Oh, and they smell amazing. So it puts me in a better mood every day, at the start of every day. Hi, since this is a self-care kind of week, I am taking myself out on a date. I'm going to watch a movie. It's a BTS movie. I love them. I have loved them for 10 years, so I'm going to reward myself, my sick little self, with a movie. And I'm probably going to take out some clothes, get something to drink, something to eat, and it's gonna be a cozy self-care day. Okay, this one is a little bit embarrassing, but I'm doing it for all your dark brown hair girls. I get dark brown hairs on my upper lip and it looks like a very thin mustache, and I don't like it. No shame, I don't like it. So I usually shave it off with a automatic leg shaver. So this is to demystifying and destigmatizing the whole having a mustache, because it's normal. It's very normal, and we gotta see the truth for what it is. Also, this hurts so much. I always get teary eyes. But beauty is pain, right? Hi, I've been home chilling for a while, but I think I want to tell you what has happened today, what I did. So I took myself out on a date and I went to the city and just walked around, and then I went into a market. It's called Kirkgate Market, I think. So I went in and just strolled. I've been there for 2 or 3 times already. But then I saw an opening, and I have never been there before. I have not seen that before. So I went in and my mind was blown. There was a whole section that I didn't see before, that I completely missed. Like, what I've seen was only a little small little part of that. So when I went in, there were tons of other farm markets, and then if you go into a little bit further, you come to a food stand place. It's like food from all over the world. So I ate a paneer roll. It was so good. And then outside there was a farmer's market. I was mind blown. It was amazing. But that was that. And then I went to the cinemas, and let me tell you, the movie, my heart, my emotions, I couldn't handle all of that. Like, the first seconds in, I started crying because me and my mom watch BTS content together. So it's like a bonding thing. I've liked them for 10 years, but then she started liking them, and then we bonded over that. And it was just like, oh, I want my mom here to be with me, share this moment with me. Also, wow, it was like a real concert. And I love concerts. But that was that. It was amazing. You should take yourself out on dates because love yourself. So in spirits of self-care week, I'm gonna make a cooked meal that reminds me of home. It's malfouf, that means rolled, and it's cabbage rolled with rice and filling. That's something I usually eat back home, not like every day. It's only on special occasions, but I wanted to feel like home. That's self-care for me, to get reminded of my roots and my home, my family. So that's what we're gonna do today. Also, in the grocery store, I don't have any internet or service at all, so I couldn't look up the ingredients, and I have less than half the ingredients I need. But that's okay. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna make it happen still. So the recipe said to boil the cabbage, and also take off the stem and boil the cabbage, so that the leaves like get separated. But since a whole cabbage doesn't fit in my tiny little pans, I need to cut them into halves. There's one. And that's two. Bum. Yeah. Hi. So this week was supposed to be a week where I took care of myself, my mental, physical, emotional health, but I think I got thrown off a little bit. I'm someone who overthinks a lot, so I've been trying not to be emotional and read more into a situation than I should. But I've been noticing it a lot, and I'm going to address it because we need to have a heart-to-heart conversation while I'm washing my face and doing my night skincare. So I noticed that I get treated pretty differently here. I don't know if I'm overthinking it, as I told you, but like sometimes I could be in a group and I just get skipped over. And I don't know, that may be a personality thing, that I could be awkward in certain situations, or just like drawn back or laid back, or it could be something on me, my personality, and that's fair. I get that. Normally back home, even though I don't mix well with certain people, it's not like I get ignored completely, but that's the case here. I'm questioning, is it because of how I look, that I don't look either Scandinavian or European or anything, that I look Middle Eastern or from another part of the world? I don't know, I have no clue, but it's been messing with me a lot. Like, how come in a situation where there are 3 new people and 2 people that have known each other, those 2 new people with me are noticed and like talked to, but I don't exist at all? Like, it's really been like that. If we're in a conversation and no one looks at me, no one talks to me, and also if I say something, or if I choose to open my mouth and say anything, someone talks over you and raises their voice over, and I don't want to be that person who's like, oh, poor me. But that has never happened to me before. It's really starting to annoy me and making me feel less than, even though your value isn't measured by what other people think. Very important. So do what you will with this information or this rant, but it does bother me, and it is pretty much existent here. It's a rant. I know it's a rant. I'm really trying to focus on myself and reflect and do some work to not let it affect me. I don't want it to infiltrate how I behave and talk and express myself. I don't want it to be a hinder. But yeah, I guess that's a self-care kind of thing that we have to work on. But overall, this week has been quite good, quite fun. It's good to take yourselves out on solo dates. It's good to get out in nature. It's good to have a movie night, or just sit inside your room and just have some time with yourself. And I think I've managed to recharge my social battery, and I hope that you can take away something from this vlog, that it's very important to take care of yourself. If you're not healthy with yourself, you're not gonna be healthy to other people. So that's a very important lesson, and that's how I'm gonna end today. Something to think about, and hope you have a very nice week ahead of you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!